Welcome back to the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Cosmos, the beginner's guide to astronomy. Today we're looking at the evening or the morning star, the planet Venus. Today we're looking at the planet Venus, the second planet from the Sun. It's the planet that people often refer to as the morning or the evening star because it is so bright in the sky, and people will often see it and perhaps assume it is Venus, and if it really is, it is the brightest white dot we'll see in the sky. But Venus is named after the goddess of love because it is so bright. Now Venus is a planet that until the 1960s we really didn't know very much about. Up until that point, people had assumed that there was lush forests on the planet, maybe oceans on the planet. But in 1962, a spacecraft called Mariner 2 flew past Venus and told us that it really is a very, very hostile world. The surface temperature is hotter than the hottest ovens you're going to get on Earth. The atmosphere is very, very thick, it's very, very hostile, and it appears to rain sulfuric acid. It's unlikely people will ever go there. Now, Venus is known as the goddess of love, but to astronomers is often referred to as the vision of hell. Now, Venus is the only planet named after a female god. Nothing wrong in that, except that Venus, well, a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. A year on Venus is 224 of our Earth days long. A day on Venus is 243 of our Earth days long. And on top of that, it also spins the wrong way. Very curious world. Now, ladies, of course, will always tell me that that planet is correct and all the other planets are wrong. But that's how Venus is. In more recent times, we've got lots of radar images of the surface of the planet because it's almost impossible to land a probe there. The Russians succeeded in the 1970s, and we've got just 2 or 3 images taken from the surface of the planet. It's unlikely, as I've said, that people will ever go there. But next time you can see a really bright white dot in the morning sky or the evening sky, you're almost certainly looking at Venus, the goddess of love. That's it for Venus. If you have any questions on astronomy, please use the comments box. In the meantime, we'll see you again on the next edition of the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Cosmos. Goodbye.